Thank you for attending my presentation. Today, we'll discuss why ChatGPT will not replace iOS software development engineers in test, mobile automation engineer. We'll cover what ChatGPT is, who an iOS testing engineer is, and debunk some common misconceptions about ChatGPT potentially replacing iOS quality assurance developers. What is ChatGPT? First, let's define what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It belongs to the Transformer architecture family, known for its capacity to understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT is built on a transformer architecture that uses self-attention mechanisms to capture relationships between words in a sequence more efficiently. The model is trained on a vast data set pulled from numerous text sources across the internet, enabling it to learn patterns, language structures, and context in a wide range of domains. Functionality: ChatGPT can comprehend and generate text in a conversational manner, grasping context, semantics, and syntactic structures. It can respond to prompts or questions in a way that mimics human conversation. Adaptability: it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks or data sets, allowing it to perform better in specialized domains. Scalability: ChatGPT comes in multiple versions, such as GPT-3 and GPT-4, each progressively larger and more sophisticated. These versions enhance its ability to generate contextually aware and nuanced responses. Diversity in outputs: for a given prompt, ChatGPT can generate a variety of potential responses, providing flexibility and options. Language proficiency: it can understand and generate text in multiple languages, though its proficiency varies depending on the language. Applications: ChatGPT can be used in various scenarios, including conversational AI, employed in chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service applications to interact with users naturally. Content generation: useful for tasks like writing, summarization, and story generation. Language processing: helps with tasks like translation, sentiment analysis, question answering, and text completion. Limitations: while ChatGPT can understand context, it sometimes produces irrelevant or nonsensical responses, especially with ambiguous or misleading inputs. Bias and ethical concerns: since ChatGPT is trained on internet data, it can sometimes reflect biases present in that data, which raises ethical concerns for its use in certain applications. Who is an iOS testing engineer? Software development engineer in test is a specialized role within software engineering, primarily focused on ensuring the quality, reliability, and functionality of software products through automated testing. In the iOS ecosystem, this role is essential for maintaining the high standards of app quality. Responsibilities: test strategy design, automated testing, quality assurance, CI/CD pipelines, performance testing, collaboration. Skills of an iOS testing engineer: programming proficiency. Mobile automation engineers need to be skilled in languages like Swift and Objective-C, which are essential for iOS development. Testing methodologies: they must understand different types of testing, including unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and regression testing. Automation: software development engineers in test should be experienced in creating and maintaining automated test suites using tools like XCUI test. Problem solving: strong problem-solving skills are essential for identifying and addressing software issues. Domain knowledge: a deep understanding of iOS and mobile app ecosystems is crucial for the role. Myths about ChatGPT and iOS test engineer roles. Now, let's address some common myths regarding ChatGPT replacing mobile QA engineers. Myth 1: ChatGPT is superior in automated testing. Some believe that ChatGPT can perform automated testing better than a mobile automation engineer. The reality is that ChatGPT lacks the ability to execute or validate iOS code directly, a core responsibility of an iOS test engineer. While it can assist in generating test cases, it cannot replace the hands-on execution required for software testing. Myth 2: ChatGPT can fully replace human expertise. Another misconception is that ChatGPT can fully replace the expertise of an iOS quality assurance developer. While ChatGPT is powerful, it cannot match the critical thinking, contextual understanding, and adaptability of a human software development engineer in test. It lacks the deep problem-solving and analytical skills that an experienced mobile QA engineer brings to the table. Myth 3. Mobile QA engineers will become obsolete in iOS testing. Some fear that iOS quality assurance developers will become obsolete because of AI advancements. In reality, iOS test engineers provide domain-specific knowledge and a deep understanding of testing methodologies that are crucial for the quality assurance of iOS apps. Their expertise remains invaluable. Realities of ChatGPT and mobile automation engineers collaboration. Reality 1. ChatGPT as an assistive tool. ChatGPT can serve as a valuable assistant for mobile QA engineers. It can help generate test cases, understand user stories, simulate user inputs, and perform other supportive tasks. However, it works as a complement rather than a replacement for human testers. Reality 2. Software development engineers in test can embrace AI in their workflow. iOS testing. Engineers can incorporate AI tools like ChatGPT into their workflow to enhance efficiency. By using AI for test case generation or identifying potential issues, iOS quality assurance developers can improve test coverage and save time on repetitive tasks. Reality 3. Collaboration for enhanced testing processes. The future of iOS testing involves collaboration between AI tools and iOS testing engineers. AI can support mobile automation engineers in refining test strategies, making more informed decisions, and improving overall testing processes. This partnership enhances software quality rather than threatening the role of mobile QA engineers. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it is not a replacement for iOS testing engineer. It serves best as an assistive tool that helps quality assurance developers improve their workflows and efficiency. The human expertise and domain knowledge that software development engineers in test bring remain essential to delivering high-quality software.